Hey guys, welcome to the Prince Tech Tutorials. Right now we're discussing on the step by step on how you can check the configuration of your system. So how do you check the configuration of your system? It's so easy. To be very short videos on the step by step on how to check the configuration of your system. How do we do that? This is for Windows 10 and the same thing applies to others. Now for Windows 10, you will see this PC on your desktop. For others, you may see my computer. So the first thing is you double left click. When you double left click, this dialog box will be displayed. When seeing this dialog box, the first thing that will be shown, you will see this PC on your left hand side. When you click on this PC, it will display this. And under it, you will see the first thing you will see, the first configuration you need to check, which you need to know before getting the system, is the hard disk. You will see it here as local disk. You can see 186 gigabyte free of 237 gigabytes, which means the used storage. This is a storage device, so the used storage will be 237 minus 186. That is my used. Why the available is 186 gigabyte free. So if you want to confirm the total storage of your hard disk, it is 237 gigabytes. So I'm using a system which the hard disk is 237. How do we check other configuration? You come to a free space here, you right click. When you right click, you click on properties. After clicking on properties, you will see the information of your system, the Windows Edition, Windows 10 Pro, your system configuration, which is a processor called TM i5-6300U CPU at 2.40 gigahertz, 2.50 gigahertz. So the processor of the system to check is 2.40 gigahertz, 2.50 gigahertz. The RAM, this is where you see the RAM. The RAM is 16 gigabytes, 15.9 gigabytes usable. You need to be very careful here. You see 15.9 gigabytes usable. Now, there are some systems whereby their usable storage is higher, but this one you can see 15.9 gigabyte usable. That is still okay. You will see again the system type: 64-bit operating system, x64 base processor. You'll see 64-bit OS. This is for the system type. This is for the RAM. Why the pen and touch to know if your system supports touch or pen. This is touch support with 10 touch points. These are the informations you need to know. So if they ask you if you want to check the configuration of the system, you need to know the hard disk, the RAM, the system type, and you need to know the supporting devices. Is a pen support or touch support? I think after that you're good to go. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe. Have a wonderful